As we grow up, we experience group of things such as our family, group of toys, group of playmates, and eventually group of classmates. Now, let's take a look at the objects. How can you group the objects given? Can you name each group? Now, we are going to identify the type, the shape, the things it represents. Let's group the objects together. We can group an object according to its color. Let's say a group of ball, blouse, mango. It is a set of objects that are yellow. We can name this group as set A from the list of objects. Let's find another group of objects. We can group also an objects that can be worn. This picture shown, shirt, blouse, and cap, is a set of objects that can be worn. We can name this as set B. We can easily identify the group of objects when we name that the particular group. Let's find again another set of objects. We can identify and describe a group according to its type and used. The group of toy car, doll, and teddy bear is a set of objects that are played by toddlers. We can name another set in a list of objects as set C. Let's have a review. What do you call now this group of objects we have formed? Very good! So now, from our previous illustration, how can you define sets? We define sets as a group or collection of objects. Each object in a set is called a member or an element of a set. A well-defined set is a set with an exact object or element. Just like for example, is grade 7 subject a well-defined set? The answer is yes. It is a well-defined set because it is clear whether a subject is taught in grade 7. Another example, is a popular actor a well-defined set? The answer is no. It is not well-defined set because some people consider an actor popular while others do not. In set notation, the cap, blouse, and shirt are called the element of a set. Elements can be denoted in a symbol. Like for example, in set of objects that can be worn, blouse is an element of set B. Cap is an element of set B. Shirt is an element of set B. In general, it means shirt, blouse, and cap are all elements of A. This symbol sometimes called set brackets or braces. Another example, let's take a look at the sequence. The set of 3, 6, 91, and so on and so forth. What can you observe? Three, 6, and 91 are the elements. The symbol called the brackets or brace. The 3 dots means goes on forever or infinite, and it is called an ellipsis and mean continue on. Set can be finite or infinite. A set is said to be finite set if it is either void set or the process of counting of elements surely comes to an end. Like for example, the set of all persons in Davao is a finite set. Second, the set of all birds in the Philippines is a finite set. Third is a set of English alphabets is a concrete example of finite sets. A set is said to be infinite set whose elements cannot be listed if it has an unlimited or uncountable by the natural number 1, 2, 3, 4 in the n term. For any natural n is called a infinite set. A set which is not finite is called an infinite set. Like for example, set of all points in plane is an infinite set. Second, set of all positive integer which is multiple of 3 is an infinite set. Number 3, W is equal to the set of 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. It is a set of all whole numbers is an infinite set. Can you now give an example of how you are going to use set in real life? Now it's your turn. State whether the collection is a well-defined set. The collection of young people that are residents of Kidapawan. Second, the collection of residents of Kidapawan between the ages of 18 and 25 years old inclusive. Let's check your answer. In number 1 statement, it is not well-defined set. What does it mean? Biyang? To someone that is 80 years old, a person that is 40 is young. But a 20 years old person may not consider 40 to be young. The word young is an ambiguous term. Hence, the collection is now well-defined. How about in number 2 statement? It is a well-defined set, since it is fairly clear who would belong to this collection. So now, you will be able to identify and describe a well-defined set. In our next lesson, we will illustrate subsets, universal sets, null set, cardinality of sets, union and intersection of sets, and the difference of two sets. See you on the next lesson. Thanks for watching.